The long-awaited red smartphone is nearly here, and it promises to be one of a kind. It's Friday, May 18th, and the cinema camera company has been promising big features in the Hydrogen One since last summer, but few official details have been available. Now, however, we finally have an idea of when we can get our hands on the phone. It will be available this summer from AT&T and Verizon. The Hydrogen One will have a holographic 4V screen that, according to Red's founder, displays a, quote, better than 3D view. Red is also promising multi-channel spatial sound and a modular system that allows for a cinema-grade camera module and additional battery. Digital Trends will be getting a hands-on look at the prototype for the Red Hydrogen One this weekend, so check back here early next week for more details. Fans of the Call of Duty series, get ready for some changes. Call of Duty Black Ops 4, or BLOPS 4 for short, will ditch the narrative-driven single-player campaign in favor of the trendy multiplayer Battle Royale mode. DT's Mike Epstein got an exclusive chance to play the game, and he reports that despite all the big changes, BLOPS 4 is still the game fans have returned to year after year. Adding Battle Royale feels like a natural progression for Call of Duty, since a lot of the franchise's popularity comes from multiplayer mode. Still, it's a big change. Battle Royale in, campaign out, which means Call of Duty is now an exclusively multiplayer experience. Activision and Treyarch say they'll show more of the game's new modes over the summer. Black Ops 4 comes to PS4, Xbox One, and PC on October 12, 2018. Few films have been as unique as 2016's Deadpool, which became the highest-grossing R-rated movie of all time. So the question becomes, how can any sequel hope to match such an impressive first act? Well, Deadpool 2 is going to try, and according to DT movie reviewer Rick Marshall, fans of the first film won't be disappointed. Ryan Reynolds returns as Wade Wilson, the mutant mercenary with an overactive healing factor and an even more overactive mouth. This time around, he's on a mission to save a teenage mutant who's been targeted by a tough-as-nails cyborg soldier from an apocalyptic future named Cable, played by Academy Award nominee Josh Brolin. Deadpool 2 hits theaters today, and I already have my tickets. That's DT Daily for this week. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe and follow us on all the usual social channels. And we'll see you back here on Monday.